Hi kids, today we are going to draw a mandala art plus an oil pastel drawing inside a mandala art. I'm going to draw in a portrait mode, so keep the book or the paper which you are using vertically like this and take two plates like this, one small size, and draw a circle like this, keeping like this, and one medium size and draw another circle like this. You can take any small size plate, smaller than this one also, smaller than this one also, and you have to take a medium size plate. So not the bigger one, it should fit into this A4 size paper. So now next we are going to draw designs here. So I am going to draw V's like this continuously. So whole round you have to draw the V. So you can turn the paper accordingly and then draw the V so that it will come properly. If you turn the book, the V's will come properly. So complete round you have to put V's like this. So after this, outside this V you have to draw slanting lines like this. Same for all this gaps, you have to draw slanting lines like this. So I have finished drawing slanting lines outside the V designs, all these gaps. Now inside the V design also you have to draw slanting lines only. So you have to draw opposite side. So you have done slanting lines here, no? You would have to draw this side, the slanting lines. So inside the V, the slanting lines should come this way. So complete V you have to fill it with slanting lines. You have to do it slowly and neatly. The line should have proper gaps. It should not be improper. It should be very neat lines. See, it's a very simple design only, so but it requires lot of patience. You have to turn the book, don't twist your hand. Just turn the book for drawing the lines will come properly. So I have finished with the slanting line design. After this, here you have to join these two triangles and you have to draw a curvy triangle. See, I've joined the tip of these two triangles and I have done a curvy triangle. Same way you have to do it completely. Same way you have to, for doing this, you have to turn the book It is like flowers petal. So I have done with this flower petal design, and after this inside you have to put U's. In all the flower petal design you have to put a U, and inside this U just draw a line. I finished with this U design, ulta U design, and inside I finished with the line. So the next is here you have to put two semicircles. Just see if you have space for that, like this. You have to turn the book for drawing properly. So I have finished with putting the semicircles, and inside semicircle I have shaded it like this. So the whole drawing I have done it. So next our design part is over. Next is here we are going to draw the oil pastel drawing. So for this first you have to take white color. And you have to put a round in the center. It may not be visible properly. I will put violet color on the top of it so that you can see the white color properly. So you have to take purple violet like this, and you have, this is the circle. So this is the white part of it. So the white part should be like this, and this area you have to completely give it in violet. Slowly, you should not disturb the white circle. You can give randomly because anyways we are going to smudge it. No perfect finish is needed, but you have to smudge it very properly. So on the top of it, just give little of white like that to make it light purple. after that you have to smudge it with your fingers or tissue paper, anything is fine. I have finished with the smudging. After smudging it should look like this. The center part is white. So no need to give white, you can just simply keep it as white itself. Now you have to draw branches like this. So it is very difficult to draw with the marker because it may not be visible, but my marker is working on the oil pastels. You can just first do it with a pencil and then you can use the marker. Use a paint for painting it. Simply you have to draw a tree branch. So you have to draw tree branches and few leaves like this. And here also few leaves like this. Now after this, here draw a C like this and then draw a curve like this and bring it down like this and draw a beak. Draw a beak like this and then bring this like a curve like this, and here you have to draw the tail here. So like this. I'll just outline this and I'll show you. So you have to draw a C and the body should be like this and a beak and give a curve and bring it down and draw the tail like this, as if the bird is sitting on the branch. So next is we have to take black paint and you have to use thin brush and outline it using black paint. So I have finished with giving black paint for the bird and the tree branch. So don't touch too much of water so that the paint will not stick on the oil pastels. Just wet the brush and use black paint and give it completely like a silhouette. So our beautiful mandala art with oil pastel drawing is done. Thank you kids. Bye bye kids.